Hans Laser G402HP high-speed laser cutting machine is equipped with the latest Rex Roth control system and optimized high-speed cutting motion control algorithms, boasting 2G acceleration and a positioning speed of 170 meters per minute. It drastically shortens lead times for mass thin sheet orders. Traditional machines may suffer from chatter, rough cut surfaces, and inconsistent batch processing during high-speed cutting, affecting accuracy and batch quality. The HP cutter adopts a 3-row foot layout with multi-point support, delivering excellent bed stress resistance and anti-deformation performance to guarantee stable, high-speed operation. Integrated mounting base of the guide rail and rack provides high rigidity and vibration resistance. The X-axis uses 35mm guide rail and a Q6 helical rack for long-term precision. Proprietary vibration suppression cutting algorithm ensures smooth cut surfaces, cleaner edges, and fewer burrs, removing post-grinding and cutting labor costs significantly. Multi-zone suction delivers excellent partitioned dust removal, reduces cutting head contamination risks, and maintains a tidy working environment. Exchange work tables enable non-stop continuous production. Hans Laser G402HP high-speed laser cutting machine, tailor-made to boost thin sheet cutting efficiency.